Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I'll be showing you around this stunning brand new Audi Q2 Black Edition S-Tronic. This SUV comes dressed in the gorgeous Arkona white, sure to turn heads when on the road. To the rear you have the privacy glass adding a touch of sophistication, all while standing on 19-inch alloy wheels with the 10Y spoke design making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the navigation map, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display, going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. And driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. And radio to choose from your favourite DAB radio stations, as well as the navigation to help you easily find your desired destination with confidence and ease. Below you have the manual air conditioning so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature. Stay connected with the 12-volt charging point. 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. Finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile. This brand new Audi Q2 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who would be more than happy to help. Thank you.